Welcome, my dear friends. Today, now we start the new grammar topic that's name is change the voice. We know the importance of the change the voice. Change the voice is the needful, essential grammar topic of English. Now, there are two kinds of the voice. One is active voice, another is the passive voice. In this voice, the most important words are subjects, verb, and objects. In this video, we can learn 60 examples of change the voice in our English, in my English. Through this video, we definitely understand the what is the voice and how to change the voice. First, we have to know what is the voice. Voice is a particular arrangement of subject, verb, and objects. Subject is action doer. It performs as a noun or pronoun. Verb is the main action word. It shows the action of the sentence. And last, the object. Object is the receiver of the actions. He is the receiver of the verb. It is used as a noun or pronoun. These are the three main words of the sentence. These are the three important words. Here we can change the voice. So in the sentence, it is not matter sentence is long or short. Only we have to identify, understand subjects, verb, and objects. Look at, for example, Sachin writes a letter. In this sentence, writes is a verb. It shows the main action. And Sachin is the action doer. And letter is a action receiver. So subjects of the sentence is action doer. So Sachin is action doer and writes is the main action word and a letter is the receiver of action or verb. So subject Sachin, verb writes and objects a letter. In this way, in every sentence, we have to identify, understand first subjects, verbs and objects. We know the two kinds of voice in English. One is active voice, another is a passive voice. Active voice means the action of the sentence is performed by subjects. Here, subject is the doer of action in the sentence. In passive voice, action of the sentence is received by the subject. Here, subject is a receiver of the action. This is the main difference between the active voice and passive voice. In active voice, subject is the action doer, and in passive voice, subject is the receiver. This is the most important difference between the active voice and passive voice. Before going to solve the example, we have to know the most important things. Identify the subjects, verb, and objects of the sentence. Identify the tense, form of verb of the sentence. Then to know the past participle of verb and pronoun changes. These are the four things we have to know when we want to change active voice into passive voice. There is also one chart of pronouns. These words, these pronouns changes we have to know. After understanding the subject, verb, and objects and the concept of the voice, now we study how to solve the example of active voice and passive voice. First, use the objects as the subjects, then write the helping verb by tense, then write the past participle or the third form of verb, then write the remaining parts of the sentence, then write by word and complete the words with the subjects as a noun or a pronoun changes. This is the simple technique, this simple formula to how to write the answer from active voice to passive voice. With the help of this formula, we write the answer easy way. So we see the one example. Maya writes a story. In this sentence, there are only three words. But how first we have to understand the concept, how to solve the example. So we take here the simple example. Maya is the subjects, writes is the verb, a story is the objects. Write is the verb, it is the action words, and the action doer is Maya, so it is a so she is a subjects, and story is the action receiver, so it is a objects. First, we understand subjects, verb, and objects. Then we have to understand that the identify the tense. Tense is a simple present tense. Here, first form of verb. Then, third form of the verb, past participle of the verb is write. First, second form wrote, and third form we can say the past participle is written. Here we have to know better the past participle of every verbs. Then subjects or pronoun changes. Maya is a singular noun, so here we can use the subject as it is. Here these are the most important fundamental need to understand. And after understanding the tense, verb form, and pronoun changes or subjects, then we use this above formula. With the help of above formula, you convert the sentence active voice to passive voice. The sentence answer will be a story is written by her. This is the answer of above sentence. Now we understand how to solve the active voice sentence into passive voice sentence. You memorize above formula and above technique. With the help of this technique, we can solve each and every sentence very easily. So look at the another one example. I saw a tiger in the forest. In the sentence, I is a subject, saw is a verb, a tiger is a object. These are the three important words for us. In the forest are the remaining part of the sentence. How to solve the example? Here, last slide we studied. Uh, Identify the tense, simple past tense. Verb form, see, saw, seen. Seen is the past participle of the verbs. Pronoun change, I is the subject as a pronoun. As it will be changes as a me. Now its answer is a tiger was seen in the forest by me. Here we change the place of subjects and objects, and we change the form of verb. After understanding formula, we have to use correct helping verbs by these charts. If in the sentence there is simple present tense, we will use am is are in passive voice. If in the sentence there is simple past tense, you will use was were in a passive voice. If the sentence is simple future tense, we will use shall or will be. These are the simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Next, present continuous tense and past continuous tense. If this tense are in the sentence, we will use am is are being in present continuous tense and was were being in past continuous tense. And present perfect tense we will use have or has been, and in past perfect tense we will use had been. These are the perfect tense, and in future perfect tense we will use shall or will have been. These are helping verbs are most important for us to write the correct answer. With the help of chart, we use the correct helping verbs in the answer. Also, there is also some moral auxiliaries. May, might, must. You write as it is, and you write only be word. Then can, could, should, would. These are also more auxiliaries. You write as it is and write then be words. In this way, we studied how to use the helping verbs in the passive voice. Now we study how to solve the example of simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense one by one. First sentence is Raju drives a car. In this sentence, Raju is subject, drives is verb, car is objects. With the help of above charts, we can use the correct helping verb. Object is car, so it is the first. A car is driven by Raju. With the help of formula, which is we studied last slide, and in with the help of this formula, we write the correct answer. A car is driven by Raju. We change the place of subjects and objects, and we change here the verbs form. With the help of above charts, we change the verbs form. In second sentence, Raju drove a car. In this sentence also, subject is Raju, verb is drove, and object is car. But here we changed the form of verb. Here the verb is the simple past tense. The sentence is the simple past tense. Answer should be in simple past tense. Answer is a car was driven by Raju. We change the place of subject and objects, and we change the form of helping verbs and form of verb. Then we'll see the last example of the simple future tense. Raju will drive a car. In this sentence, subject is Raju, verb is will drive, and object is a car. We change the place. A car will be driven by Raju. In these three examples, subjects are same, objects are same, but verbs form Words verb tense are different. With the help of above charts, we can write every sentence answer correctly and perfectly. So first we have to understand the concept of how to solve the example from active voice to passive voice. And with the help of these charts, we can solve the example. Look at the one example. Rohit is making a kite. Rohit is subject, is making is verb, a kite is object. These are the most important three words. And is making is a present continuous tense. This sentence shows that present continuous tense. The answer will be a kite is being made by Rohit. We change the place objects a kite to subjects a kite. Rohit is the subject and we change the place it comes at the last. And also we change the verb form is converted into is being made. With the help of the formula and with the help of charts, we write the correct answer. We see the next another example. Mina was selling caps. Here answer will be caps are being sold by Mina. We also changed the place of subject and objects. But here object is caps. Caps are the plural. So which its answer is caps wear. We should here use wear because of the subject caps. Being we remove the ing form of verb and we use here being and the third form verb is sold by Mina. In this way we write this answer. Then we see the next example. We are playing cricket. In this example, subjects, verb, objects, we can see that here. And our answer is cricket is being played by us. In this way, with the help of this slide, we can understand how to solve the example of present continuous tense and past continuous tense with the help of above charts. We see the perfect tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. With the help of example, we can understand how to solve the example. Mr. Patil has found a bag. In this sentence, subject is Mr. Patil, object verb is has found, object is o bag. First, we understood subject, verb, and objects. The tense is present perfect tense, and we know better the formula. With the help of formula and with the help of chart, we write the answer. Answer will be a bag has been found by Mr. Patil. Here we change the places of subject and objects, and we changes the form of verb with the help of chart. A bag is singular subject, so we have used here has. Then we see the another example. Dr. Zadav had stopped a car. In this example, subject Dr. Zadav, verb had stopped and a car is object. With the help of the above charts, we write this answer is a car had been stopped by Dr. Zadav. She will have bought a new mobile. In this example, subjects she will have bought a. Here are model auxiliaries. With the help of these model auxiliaries, how to write the answer? We see the example. Amol can speak English. In this sentence, Amol is subject, can speak is verb, and English is object. Answer will be English can be spoken by Amol. We change the places subjects and objects. we have changed only the form of verb. Can we use the modal auxiliaries as it is, and then can we use the word be, and then we take the third form of verb spoken. Let's see another one example. India may win the match. In this sentence, may is modal auxiliary, India is subjects, the match is objects. The answer, the match may be won by India. The next example, you should meet your friends. Answer, your friend should be met by you. They could inform the police. The police could be informed by them. These are the four examples of modal auxiliary. Now, there are two objects in the sentence. How to solve the example? No, there is no any problem. If two objects are in the sentence, answer will be in the two way. Let's see the one example. Mr. Pandit teaches us Marathi very well. In this sentence, there are two objects. How to find two objects? When we ask the question to the verb. You know that the verb, subjects, and objects are the most important words in the sentence. Subject is Mr. Pandit, verb is teaches, and two objects are us and Marathi. How to find it? When we ask two questions to verb, whom and what, you will get the two objects. Automatically, you can understand the two objects, and also we can write the two way answers. First answer is Marathi is taught us very well by Mr. Pandit. And with the help of the formula and with the help of the chart, we write the correct answer. Next answer is we are taught Marathi very well by Mr. Pandit. In this way, we can write two-way answer easily with the help of two objects. Next example, she has given him notebooks. In this example, also subject is she, has given is verb, him is objects, and notebook is also objects. There are also two objects. Answer will be two-way. Answer is he has been given notebooks by her. This is the first answer. Second answer is notebooks have been given him by her. In this way, we studied to write the correct answer in this way. Now we study about the negative sentence. If the negative sentence is in the active voice, how to write the answer? First, let's see one example. My friends are not writing a poem. In this sentence, not is a negative word, so this sentence is a negative sentence. Its answer is a poem is not being written by my friends. This type of the answer we have to write. This question sentence is negative, answer sentence should be negative. Now we see how to write the negative sentence questions to how to write the answers of negative sentence. Let's see, these charts will help us write the correct answer. In the active voice, there are don't, doesn't, or do not, or does not in simple present tense, and then first form of verb or root verb. In the answer, in the passive voice, we have to use am, is, are. We use three, one of them, and then we write the noun, and then we write the past participle or third form of verb. This is the this sentence, this chart is useful for the simple present tense, negative simple present tense. Then we see uh, did not or didn't. In the simple past tense, there is a didn't or did not, and then first form of verb or root verb. The sentence of passive voice answer is was or were, then write not and use the past participle. With the help of these charts, we write the negative sentence of simple present tense and simple past tense answer with the help of these charts very well. We see some examples. Manoj does not catch the ball. In this sentence, Manoj's subject does not is the negative words, not the negative words, does not catch is a verb, the ball is a object. Answer is the ball is not caught by Manoj. We change the place of subjects and objects. We use here is because of the subject verb is does not simple present tense. So we use here is. Then we see the another example. They didn't understand my problem. In this sentence, subject is they didn't understand is objects and my problem. So my didn't understand is verb. My problem is a objects. The answer is my problems were not understood by them. In this sentence, the question sentence is the simple past tense. So we used after the my problems, we used here were. So in this chart, in this slide, we have to understand the sentence form. If the negative sentence is simple present tense and simple past tense, how to write the answers in the passive voice? In simple present tense, we use am is are, and in simple past tense, we use was and were. This do you understand? Here we clear the how to solve the example of simple present tense and simple past tense negative sentence. Now let's see the another one examples. Change the following sentences from active voice to passive voice. First sentence is we have forgotten a key of locker. Answer is a key of locker has been forgotten by us. Second sentence Anita had managed the sugar factory. Answer is the sugar factory had been managed by Anita. In this way, we solve more example. After solving the more example, we will get the perfect understanding of how to solve active voice to passive voice. Let's see another more examples. The chairman appoints a new manager. A new manager is appointed by the chairman. Mr. Kapoor will send a message. A message will be sent by Mr. Kapoor. My friend Raju turned a bike immediately. A bike was turned immediately by friend Raju. Negative sentence. I have not promised them. They have not promised by me. The hunter could not kill the lion. The lion could not be killed by the hunter. You did not listen my words yesterday. My words were not listened yesterday by you. Gopal will not receive the first prize. The first prize will not be received by Gopal. Next sentence. You never deceive your friends. Answer is your friends are never deceived by you. The watchman doesn't open the gate. Answer is the gate is not opened by the watchman. If there are two objects, how to write the sentence? They asked me a question. First answer, a question was asked me by them. I was asked a question by them. He had handed her a toy. A toy had been handed her by him. She had been handed a toy by him. We have made him a monitor. A monitor has been made him by us. He has been made a monitor by us. My brother can show me a new featured mobile. A new featured mobile can be shown me by my brother. I can be shown a new featured mobile by my brother. The principal refused them the admission. They were refused the admission by the principal. The admission was refused them by the principal. In this way, we studied the two types of objects in the sentence, how to write the answer from active voice to passive voice. Exercise. Change the following sentences from active voice to passive voice. They have known by addresses. You will change your view in future. You should give the child a healthy diet. Gardener is picking some flowers. Some naughty boys are teasing a monkey. You have to take a screenshot of these slides and then you write all the answers in your notebook. You shouldn't insult the weak. Maya will not leave this room. Komal cut a watermelon with knife. She had watched a dark cloud. My grandpa didn't sing a song. Virat had not made 200 runs. Sima draws a picture. He will have become a good dancer in India. My classmates will meet the Prime Minister. Sartaj has achieved a great success. Here are also some examples. You took one screenshot and solved all examples in your notebooks. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any problems, you can contact with me and solve the examples in your notebooks. Understand the concepts of change wise step by step. Okay, thank you for watching this video once again.